New details tonight. Hurricane Michael was stronger than originally thought. More than 6 months after devastating Florida's panhandle, the hurricane was upgraded from a Category 4 to a Category 5 storm at the time of landfall. Scientists at the National Hurricane Center said today that a post-storm analysis estimates sustained winds of 160 miles per hour. This makes Michael one of only 4 recorded Category 5 hurricanes to make landfall in the United States, and the first Category 5 hurricane to make landfall since Hurricane Andrew back in 1992.
Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
A little hint of summer today. Temperatures at least away from the coastline, topping out in the low 70s. Very high humidity. Windy as well. That high wind advisory remains in effect until 8 o'clock this evening. Now, the problem with high humidity this time of year is that when you pass it over a cool surface like the ocean, which is running, well, it's chilly, the net result in places along the south coast, you get some fog and some drizzle. So socked in Newport right now, but then you jump to Providence and the visibility is a lot better. So the fog essentially confined to the coast line, and that'll continue this evening throughout the overnight. So the closer to the ocean you are tonight, some fog and some drizzle. The rain showers have been very widely scattered, so nothing widespread yet as far as downpours, but that's in the forecast for Saturday. In the meantime, note the visibility better inland and then lower along the coastline in places like Westerly and in Newport. Look at the temps now, still in the upper 60s inland and 55 in Newport, though Westerly coming in at 60 degrees. So windy and humid conditions will continue tonight right on through Saturday. Very mild temperatures tomorrow afternoon between 65 and 70 inland. Showers are likely. Now for the evening hours tonight, it's kind of scattered and hit and miss, but becoming more generous on Saturday. That's when the heaviest rain will be, and then things will tend to ease up for Easter Sunday. So the theme here is that it's not perfect, but it's not a washout, not nearly as bad as Saturday. A few showers, and temperatures on Sunday still mild, topping out at 65 degrees. You see, over southern New England, it's been very isolated activity. You don't see a lot of green here, but look at all this soaking widespread rain from Pennsylvania and Ohio down through the mid-Atlantic. Severe weather watches, severe thunderstorm watches and tornado watches across Virginia, South and North Carolina. This is an outbreak of severe weather that is ongoing. You can see on the lightning tracker numerous cloud-to-ground lightning strikes. So what we have draped across the east is a frontal boundary, attached to it a storm system, and all this boundary is doing is separating warm and humid air on one side and then dry and cooler air on the other side. This tropical moisture will advance north and east, arriving here a little bit tonight, but more so for Saturday and Saturday night, and then slowly edging away on Easter Sunday. And you can see on the other side of the front the very mild temperatures up and down the East Coast, and on the back side of that storm system it is chilly with temperatures only in the 40s. So here's how it breaks down the hour-by-hour forecast. We'll take you through the evening and overnight as that moisture arrives. Now here we are tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. waking up to breezy, humid and warm conditions, areas of fog and scattered initially light showers during Saturday morning, but becoming more generous and heavier by the afternoon. Perhaps the rumble of thunder. We're thinking a ½ inch to 1 inch of rain by the time we get to Saturday evening and Saturday night. And here we are at 11 o'clock Saturday night, still with that pipeline of tropical moisture on top of us. So still keep the umbrella nearby later Saturday night as well. Get in real close and take a look at the forecast for tomorrow morning. Breezy and humid. Temperatures are still in the 60s. Just scattered light showers, some mist and fog along the ocean, and then a heavier rain, heavier showers likely during the afternoon. Very warm temperatures, upper 60s to near 70 inland, and once again the coastline, much like today, somewhere in that 55 to 60 range. So there's your steady showers on Saturday. Not perfect for Easter Sunday, but again, not a washout. Temperatures a mild and isolated shower, but mainly dry, though a lot of clouds around. 63 on Monday with some scattered showers, and then temperatures seasonable for the middle of next week. Your daytime highs are in the low 60s and your nights are in the 40s and 50s. So kind of tropical feel out there with the high humidity. In fact, the humidity unusually high for mid-spring.
We were just commenting on it. The humidity doesn't seem to affect Tony Petrarca's hair.
Never. There's a lot of product here. It's a science.
Must be nice. More coverage.